Hyundai Creta EX 2025 model, examining its design, performance, interior comfort, technology, and overall value. 1 Overview and Design. The Hyundai Creta EX 2025 builds on its predecessor's reputation with an updated, modern design that reflects both a bold character and a sophisticated presence. Key design features include sleek exterior lines. The updated front fascia boasts a refreshed grille design and sharper LED headlamps, giving the Creta a more aggressive yet elegant look. The overall body has been streamlined to improve aerodynamics while exuding a contemporary urban appeal. Refined aesthetics. From the sculpted side panels to the redesigned rear, the car balances sportiness with practicality. Alloy wheel designs have been updated, enhancing the vehicle's dynamic stance on the road. 2 Performance and Powertrain. Under the hood, the Creta EX 2025 offers an engaging driving experience through a combination of refined engineering and responsive powertrain options. Engine options. Hyundai continues to offer a range of engines, with the X trim typically featuring a turbocharged petrol option that emphasizes both performance and efficiency. This engine delivers brisk acceleration while maintaining commendable fuel economy. Transmission and handling. The model is available with a smooth dual-clutch automatic transmission that contributes to rapid gear changes, ensuring a dynamic yet refined driving experience. Suspension tuning and chassis enhancements provide a comfortable ride on city streets and highways alike, with precise steering and minimal body roll during cornering. Efficiency and emissions. Advances in engine technology have also led to reduced emissions, aligning with modern environmental standards without compromising on power. 3 Interior comfort and quality. Inside the cabin, Hyundai has focused on both ergonomics and premium finishes to deliver an inviting and user-centric environment.